Okay, so what's up guys, this is Karan here, back with another video. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. To the wallpaper of Never Settle, you can automatically imagine that this room is from OnePlus, and yes, this one is OnePlus 7 custom room based on Android version 10, available for Redmi Note 8. This one is not the official build, this is just a ported ROM available for Redmi Note 8, and there were a lot of extra other builds were available too. And this one is the latest beta 15, as you can see, OnePlus 7 beta 15, and thanks to the developer Kodi47 to make it possible to run OnePlus on Redmi Note 8. There are a lot of things which are fixed in this build, a lot of new things and everything else in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started now. Okay, so we are here at the home screen, and at the home screen, first of all, if we're talking about the wallpaper, there are a lot of wallpapers available here. As you can see, there are a lot Never Settle wallpapers are available. You can apply any wallpaper from here. This is quite interesting thing, and this is one of the new things which you don't might get in any other build also. Okay, so moving on to some other things. We have these kind of quick setting tiles available here with all the same tiles options. No extra things are here, but the things which are fixed here is this one. First of all, the brightness slider, which was not fully working in Redmi Note 8 previous OnePlus 7 based builds, but in this build this is fixed. Other thing, if we talk about the fixed one, is this mobile data, which was not working, which was by default on, and if you wanted to turn off the mobile data, you had to update the Google Play services, and some users might get some problems while updating the Google Play services, and this one is also fixed. So some major things are fixed, some major changes are available here. Talking about the other things, by swiping right, you can see this shelf available here where you can see a lot of things. Step counter, dashboard, and some other things are available. This one is OnePlus Launcher pre-installed with no lags at all. This is quite fast, and the ROM is totally lag free, quite smooth. And as you can see, the performance, this is pretty much impressive. By default, you don't get any camera pre-installed. I have not tried the Gcam yet, and I think that will definitely work. And if you talk about the aux lenses, these are perfectly fine in Gcam only. By default, you don't get any camera here. If you want to install OnePlus camera, the link for that video is in the description, so you can go and check it out, that how you can install the OnePlus camera on your device. This is quite impressive. Talking about the other apps, all apps are same, like Game Space, Gallery, and this one is the India Net Sound tile. This one is also something new. This one was not like that in previous build, but in this build this is also changed. So the things, there are a lot of changes available, as you already noticed. Okay, so we are here at the settings option, where you got the Wi-Fi and internet option, Bluetooth options, display customization, sound and vibration. There are a lot of things available in OnePlus 7 base custom room. First of all, talking about the display section, where you get the adaptive brightness option, screen calibration, in which by default you will get the vivid option enabled, but you have to enable the natural option here to make the screen look like the natural one. Notch display, night mode, reading mode, video enhancer, ambient display is also perfectly fine here. Horizon light is just perfectly fine. You can enable any horizon type of light here, which is quite impressive. You can enable anything from here, that will definitely work for you. There are a lot of extra options are available: font size, status bar customization options, and screensaver, etc. Moving on to customization, here you get, as I already told, you get a lot of wallpapers option, and preset theme, you get all these three themes are present here: vibrant tints, emulating light, and nuanced dark. You also got the option of choosing the accent colors, tones, system icons, icon pack, and you also have the option of choosing the fonts, where by default your fonts will be on Roboto, and you can choose the OnePlus Slate, which obviously you need to use because you're using a OnePlus base ROM, and I have already enabled that, and that's perfectly fine. Talking about other things, you also get the icon pack option, and by default you get the 2 icon packs pre-installed. First previous builds, I think we had only one plus icon pack, and now we also got the hydrogen icon pack, so you can enable these icons if you want to. So let's check out how these icons look. this is how all these icons look. That does not look bad, so this is also something great. Talking about the game space, this one is the game space available in OnePlus 7 base custom ROM available for Redmi Note 8. You can add the games, like obviously almost every user nowadays play PUBG, so you can add games from here and you can enable this gaming mode, and that can enhance your gaming experience also. I'm not sure about that, I'm not a gamer, so I am not sure about that, but that's perfectly fine. Customization I have already shown you, sound and vibration, buttons and gestures, and as you can see I'm using the full screen gestures that are perfectly fine. One major issue is this one. As you can see, the space behind this is the main issue. You cannot disable this. There's no option available in settings to disable this. Maybe some tweaks, some magic module will be available, but for now in stock settings you cannot get these kind of things available here, which is kind of disappointing. In security and lock screen, here you get a lot of main things. Security status, that's perfectly fine. Fingerprint is perfectly fine, but talking about the face lock, that's not working. So face lock is still a bug. It has used a MIUI 12 based Android 10 vendor this time. This is the biggest change, and that's also very impressive thing. So obviously there are no lags at all. Privacy, location, battery, storage, accounts, and everything is just fine. Where you get in utilities, you have the parallel apps option, quick launch option, OnePlus laboratory, and quick reply, etc. Some other things, some new things as I already shown you. No extra things in this build. This is just super fast. Go for it and try it out. This has also the bug of SD card media, which you might not get here. As you can see, you will not get your SD card items here, and obviously OnePlus devices does not support these things, so you will not get these items here. Maybe there are some fixes available like media provider APK and some other things, so you can try those fixes if you want to, but by default these are the things you get here. All the things I have already shown you, I think. So these are all the things which you might get in OnePlus 7 based custom ROM available for Redmi Note 8. This was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye, have a nice day.